Hi guys, Dane here from the Fruit Salad Tree Company. Just going to give you a couple of tips on what to do when the spring flush growth has happened on your fruit salad tree. So number one, just check what you have and everything's still alive and still growing alright. This is a Golf Gold, a yellow nectarine, a blood plum and a white peach. The yellow nectarine's doing well, the white peach is doing well, but the blood plum hasn't woken up yet. So first of all, you want to cut or tip any of these growing branches just by taking the tip off. Just find the tip like this and then just pinch it out. It'll slow it up for about 2 weeks. That one, if it's got too many branches growing, you can always thin them to like two shoots. So they're all tipped now, so that'll give this blood plum a chance to wake up. Check for rootstock. There's a rootstock growing right there, so we just need to cut it off. And there's no other rootstock on this, nothing coming from here, and that's it.